Me. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Disneyland and we are going to try and get on the Rise of the Resistance ride. We're very excited. It's early, it's cold, but we're doing it.
I wouldn't say very excited. It's too early.
I'm excited. It's never.
But that's too early.
Well, some people woke up at like 4:30 a.m.
Not me.
to come. Yeah, we're not waking up at 4:30 a.m. but I'm excited. Okay. So I'm going to tell you guys all the ways that you can get a boarding pass too when you come to Disneyland or Disney World, because I think it's the same. So stay tuned. If you haven't seen my previous Disney videos, make sure to go check those out. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post lots of Disney videos. And leave a comment down below if you guys have ridden the Rise of the Resistance ride. So it's Thursday, it is 7 in the morning, and these are the lines for security, or lines? It's really not that bad. It's pretty good. 7:01, 7:02 or something. So it's 7:25, this is what the lines look like. Not too bad. Now the lines are really starting to get long and fill up. They're letting Magic Morning through now. It's about 7:43, and yeah, we're still waiting. We opened a line and we got much closer, but the lines are getting really long.
And then get to the other places that start people go the other direction.
It's opening, they're letting people through. Yay! Okay, so we are at the train station in front, and we are trying to stay here to get our boarding pass. So we're waiting here to get our boarding group because up at the road shop there are so many people, and probably the more people in one area, the harder it'll be to access the app and get a boarding group. So that's what we're doing here because there's not many people. So fingers crossed that we'll get it.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
It logged me out. It logged me out. So you guys go ahead. Oh my God. Pretty good. Woo! Hold on, we have to wait. Done. Woo! Did we get it? Yep. Wait, who's
We're number 61?
Yeah, she did it.
61.
61! Wait, it doesn't say. Are you serious? It doesn't say anything. I got it. You got it? Mom, hurry. It's too late. No. Really, Maya? It said 61 and I said done. So go. Too late. Go to my status. Are you
I thought you did it.
Hold on. Oh no, yeah, we're good. Oh, okay. It freaks me out, Maya. You freaked me out. Show it. Woo! Oh my gosh. We got it! Yes! So we are group 61, which means we'll probably be called about an hour or two. So I'm very excited. It's very soon, and we have an hour to get over there once our boarding group is called. So, all right on the train. Okay, so what we did was on my sister's phone, she had canceled out the app, and then she had gone in and selected my status and joined boarding group, which we recorded. I was already in the app and I had canceled it out, and my mom was in the app and she kept refreshing the my status. So what works is to cancel out the app, and then at 9 or 8 o'clock, whenever you guys do it, click on the app and then click my status and join boarding group. So that's the way to go. There is another way that you can actually get like physical boarding passes from the kiosks actually.
Okay.
Yeah, we didn't do that, but there is a guy that did that, and so I'll link his video down below so you guys can watch that if you want to do it and don't want to use the app for some reason. But that is another way that you can do it. So it is 10:21 right now, and they are boarding groups 1 through 21. So we have, yeah, and we're 61. So we have a bit before we have to get on the ride. If you guys have any other questions about how to get your boarding pass for Rise of the Resistance or anything like that, just comment them down below and I'll try to respond to as many as I can. Okay, so we came back to our hotel room for a little bit to take a nap because everyone was a little tired from waking up early. And we just got the notification that we are ready to board. So we have 2 hours to get there, not 1 like I thought earlier, we have 2 hours. So we're gonna head over soon. I am so excited. Okay, so it is 4:45 and we are now walking over to the park from the hotel. So pretty out right now.
Or something.
For a few minutes, yeah.
Well, it's been for a few minutes already, but
Yeah, so now we
it's wise to wait here.
So an update, we're waiting by the ship and it's 5:22 and we're still waiting, hoping to get on. I don't know what the process is if they can't fix the ride. I don't know what they do for the people who have boarding passes, so I guess we'll find out. It's happening! It's happening! Dinner! And it's happening!
Yes.
Oh my god.
What do you think? Are you going to cry this time?
Oh, I'm gonna cry big time.
Okay.
So we are finally getting on the Rise of the Resistance at 6.
I don't know what time it is.
6:45. But it was
6:43.
Oh,
It's 6:43.
oops. It's so hot in here. Oh my gosh.
Because I'm bringing sexy back.
What did we all think?
I love it.
It was
Super
great.
duper fun.
Yeah, it was really
I
cool.
almost cried. I'm not.
I'm not surprised.
But the
We refused to
We
watch
didn't
any
watch
other
anything,
videos. We just watched how to get a boarding pass videos, and that's about it. So it was
all
a surprise. Oh my gosh, we feel like that was 2 days at Disneyland, not 1. And we're ready to end this day of Disneyland, but stay tuned for tomorrow and the next day and the next day after that. Make sure to keep an eye out for my giveaway that I'm doing in the next few videos. Tomorrow we're expecting our friends to join us, so that'll be exciting. I hope this video was helpful to you guys if you're trying to ride the Rise of the Resistance, and if you get on it, I hope you enjoy it. It's really fun, and if you just go to Disneyland, I hope you have a great time. I'll see you next time.